What's the meaning of airliner? Airliner. 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 Airliner.
An airliner is a type of aircraft designed for transporting a large number of passengers and cargo on scheduled flights between cities and countries. These planes typically have a high wing configuration, jet engines, and are pressurized to maintain a comfortable environment at high altitudes. They are operated by commercial airlines and are generally categorized by their size and range capabilities. Airliners come in various models and can carry anywhere from 50 to over 800 passengers, making them an essential mode of transportation for both business and leisure travelers.